Guys, I am trying to install my heated grips and external USB charger and the handlebars. First thing I'm going to have to do is remove the grips out of the handlebars. So first we're going to get a Phillips and remove that bar end weight. There we go. Just taking a little bit of a screwdriver here. Just kind of do this, pry it up. This and these grips are pretty good. I'll probably transfer them to another, and you actually hear the grip glue coming out. There we go, it's loosening up. Twist, there we go, and here comes the grip. All of that is just the glue. Okay, on the right side is a little bit more complex because you have the throttle and it's got a return and a spring, so be a little bit more careful. So I'm going to see if I can remove this bar end weight. Hey, that came out well. This one, you have a Phillips here. This one is this size. I'm going to put that over there. And then there's another one right in the back here. Okay, so that's the other screw. Let me see. It's coming apart. And just kind of separate it a bit. Don't damage the internals. Put it over here so I don't damage it. But this part, you can't remove it because it's stuck on the throttle. So you have two cables. A throttle like this when you pull it back, and then one that releases it. It goes back to the starting point. So your throttle is closed. You have to remove the cable. This is one of them. I'm just going to take this. Squeeze this out, and that's one piece to the side, and there we go. So now this is my throttle and top cable, lower cable. So the throttle goes like that because this little lip has to be on the inside of the housing for the mechanism here. So now it is. Yeah, so make sure that the grip is inside the housing, and then we're going to fit this right back on there. Grab the cable and just kind of push it. There we go. So now it's in there, and that way the grip is not going to come out of there. So now let's put this back. It's getting stuck, so I'm not sure why it's getting stuck. Make sure that the throttle returns. We're going to have to figure that part out. So let's put this back where it belongs. Just kind of don't tighten one too much. Kind of do it both at the same time. We seal it completely. Twist the throttle. Make sure it returns freely. Don't over tighten them because, yeah, in the past I have broken some of these. So you also have bar end plugs which don't look really cool. The bar weights are better, but it'll go on like this. It's really loose. And here, this little white adapter connects to the other grip. We're going to do that. And then the black and the red are for the battery. And we're going to fish this through the bike all the way to the battery and to the accessories port because I want to connect it that way. I want it to be like this. So I'm going to go to this side now, and I'm just going to tighten this. That's actually a brilliant design because normally you have different diameter handlebars for different motorcycles, but this one works in everything. Let me just tighten this more. To hook up from one side to the other is this connector. So let's get this connector. Just kind of fish it in nice and clean. Follow the wires the way you see fit. And it's right here. This is the left And this is the right. You're just going to connect it together. Boom. These wires eventually are going to be like inside the bike, so you're not going to see them. I'm going to eventually like push them down. The important part is that I want to connect everything up here and then go down. So we have a plus, the red, and the black. You don't need to run a negative all the way to the battery. You could use, you know, the frame or whatever. I just want to keep it all tidy into that box that I just had. So I'm going to do it that way. So I'm just going to fish it right in here. And this might take me a while because it's kind of annoying getting all of this in here. So some people would definitely power it off a headlight. On the PCX, I did that. I powered it off the headlight. I just don't want to have to remove any more stuff than I have to on this particular bike. Cable here, I'm just going to run it along the yellow. I have the yellow and the white, and on the heater grips I have just black and red. So I'm going to connect the red to the yellow. That's going to be my power. And then the negative, I'm going to just connect it to the white. And I'm doing it is using these little connectors. One is a female, one is a male. They're quick connectors, so they'll just kind of fit right in this way. They're waterproof. And it's what I tend to use. I'm going to put the male end onto this right here. It's nice and firm. I'm just going to connect it together. And grip it down. So I fished the wires, and they're too long, to the back of the bike. So these will be, I think I'm going to cut it right over here. So that's the ground cable here, one cable here, and that should give me power for the bike. And then eventually I'll tidy this down, put all the wires maybe off to the side. But to work on it, it's better this way. So this way you can change the fuses. I don't know what fuse, these are all 5s, but we might have to change them for the grips. I'm going to use this slot right here. And what you want to do is just loosen this up. I'm going to tighten this because I'm going to turn it on. Let's see if the lights come on. They should. There we go. I have to turn it on all the way. So all the lights are on. Now let's see if there's power to the grips. Here's my grips. And we have power. That is perfect. And now if I turn it off and I turn off the key, it should power off in a couple of seconds. There we go. That is perfect. So we did a good job. So I have everything mounted. I have my USB right over here. I have my car Pure Ride running, all from the accessories plug. I also have my heated grips. Look at that. This is going to be really useful. But so one of the few things I learned from working on this bike, I installed the fuse box, the accessories, I got the heated grips, I got the car Pure Ride going, I got the little, you see this thing? That's a very well done, low profile USB phone charger. I like it. And of course I got those beautiful heated grips on max right now because it is kind of cold and windy. Best tip I could possibly give you guys, get heated grips, install them. They've come down in price so much. And then if it's winter, just get the hippo hands and you can ride year round in these type of gloves. And as you know, having dexterity in your fingers is a good thing.